Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can split screen on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can do two-player split screen mode in Fortnite. So right now we're gonna jump right to the steps. So the first step is launch a duos or squad game in Fortnite. You can use split screen mode to play with a friend on PlayStation or Xbox consoles. Other platforms are not yet supported. Keep in mind, split screen is only available as couch co-op on a single console at a time. If you want to play with others online, you can add friends or enable crossplay. The second step is turn on the second controller. Use the PlayStation button or Xbox button to turn the other controller on. This will open the user sign in menu. Select a new user. The second controller will be signed into this account. You'll be taken back to the Fortnite screen. You should see Player 2 login. Hold at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the second controller, hold the designated button on PlayStation controllers. This should be X. On Xbox controllers, this should be A. You'll be logged into second account on Fortnite. This may take a few moments. When it's finished, you'll see the character of the second account load in. Then just set your build and click on ready. Then you're going to be able to play on split screen mode. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.